Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to increase or decrease message text size in Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, click on Telegram app icon. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down till we get Chat Settings. On top screen you will find message text size. If you want to increase message text size, just press and keep pressing and go right. Here you can find the text already increased. If you want to decrease, just press and keep pressing and go left, like this. Here you can find that text message already decreased. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can subscribe our channel. Also consider like, share, and if you have any comments, please write to us and we will do our best to respond all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.